we are, the Precinct dressing room. If these walls could talk. We're so excited today because we are tearing out the dressing room and totally re-envisioning it. Let's talk about mirrors. I'm a petite 5'2", but if I'm standing here in the dressing room and I look over and I want to check my hair, you can see the problem. I can't see myself. So the mirrors are great if you're sitting down, but what drag queens sit down? They never do. They're always, can I get a bump? Oh my God. We're going to have mirrors so you can see yourself here and you can see yourself here. The second thing is lighting. You have light coming from above. That's not ideal. So what we're going to do is we have mirrors coming in from our sponsor, which goes by the name of
Impressions Vanity.
And they're fantastic. And the mirrors have lighting all the way around. These are fantastic mirrors. I cannot wait to see them in this room. Another thing is width. So Willam's suggestion is taking these tables and making them a little bit less deep. And that's the first time Willam has ever asked for anything to be less deep. So as I said before, this project is really my baby. This is my Oh hi. How's it going?
Oh, I didn't see you there. There was a mirror. My bad.
I was just going over the sort of blueprints. So why don't you tell us a little bit of, the little details that you've worked on?
Well, I know you have an extensive background in construction and rigging, but in this case, we're doing it all unpermitted, no licensed contractors, just us.
Why deal with those pesky licenses? They're so impersonal.
Really, honestly, I just thought that we could take care of this. A little bippity boppity bam! So, did we identify the main problems and what we need to do to fix them?
So I said this.
Yes.
This, you can't see when you're standing up, and shelves.
Yes.
And what's your vision for this wall back there? Are you changing something here?
More lockers. Yeah, we have some vanities going up that could be very cute.
Who's the company?
Impressions.
Impressions by Vanity. But I think we should get started, don't you? Let's tear some things down. What can we bash? What can we bash? Now it's time to really strip down this space. Period. All right, okay, here we go. It's time to hammer. All right. I don't like this. I don't like it. This is why I'm an architect. I can't. Willam, you try it, please. I can't.
See something, saw something.
Do you need the goggles? Here.
I'll just close my eyes.
Safety, don't. You ain't gotta go to work. This is hard.
What if we take it
Where
up?
are the men?
I'm Handy Dan.
Please come in here.
We're men without tights.
I gotta go.
Dan, will you make a breaking point for us?
Do you think we should go up instead of down? Like hit it like...
It's definitely not attached. We could just pick it up.
What the?
Oh, okay, let's do that.
Oh! So much better. So much better.
We did that.
Oh my God, we did.
Step one, gut it.
Got it.
Gut it. Gut the bitch. Oh, mirror.
You did it!
Yay, Dan. Good job. Wow, everything's going so well. Now these are really bolted onto the wall.
Yeah, the craftsmanship in this room. I mean, this goes back decades.
So will you just
Getting it
just
off
spot
of
me,
here.
just
I
in
will.
case.
Yes, we're probably gonna need professionals, but to get it off of here is really gonna. Oh shit. Oh dear. Okay. You got. Okay.
Mine. I need this. It's mine.
Whoa. Oh. I smell the history in this room. Yeah, a little Shelfiana.
Sick. Come look at what 10 years of drag looks like. Whose station was this?
Meatball.
Boys, can someone grab? I have things that I would like moved to like the wall over there. Huh. Mwah. Mwah. This is how they did in fried green tomatoes. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Fried green tomatoes.
Oh, you can already feel it's so spacious in here now. Hello!
The walls are alive with some mold and dust mites.
There's money. Somebody left money. Whose tips are these? We have to put these in the lost and found. Unclaimed property. Look, there's more.
Is that a handwritten letter?
You guys.
We're pooling tips tonight. Don't think that's all yours, girl. Money, 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 money.
Of course.
Sick. Whose station is that?
So wait, are you now okay with being seen cleaning on camera?
Yeah, now I'm okay with it. Because this is for the good of everybody. Not just
That is evolution.
a
everyone.
production money making machine.
I'm gonna need someone to do this. I don't think I can do this.
1, 2, 3. How many faggots does it take to screw in a light bulb?
I don't know.
I think practically I need to sweep and clean this. Oh! Clean floor. Clean pussy.
Clean sweep.
Okay, so
Alright.
this is the puzzle Tetrisy part where like we figure out where everything goes. If you see a table, grab it. So we have a tall boy coming in. Excuse me, Handy or Dan? Can you please roll that in?
I'm Dan.
Dan who?
Dan Yates.
And what are we doing today, Dan?
Helping Willam because she's fucking amazing.
That came awfully close.
To this.
So what do we think of this layout?
I think it's working. I think it is. I think the next step, okay, so from the hardware store, we need long lights that can go this way and mount into these. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I mean, that feels like a layout. Should we like throw chairs in and see how it feels? How do you work? How do you sit at this thing? Because there's the, look at that. What if I'm little Fanny drag queen and my chair, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I do.
So maybe some girls don't sit. Maybe
Yeah.
these are stander. Can you bring in a chair? Chair! Okay, I'm hearing.
But they're also on wheels. They could go anywhere.
Honey, you're on wheels and you do go everywhere. So.
You ain't wrong.
And this will be mounted to the wall. I
Yeah.
think that's important.
Up and over there.
So Mitrella will be there. Can I borrow this chair? Perch. The fish of the day is perch. Like that's actually not too bad. I feel like I'm in school.
You have a junior development suite.
But I'm interested in your idea of putting them here, like for the seclusionary sisters. Want to know how to kill a drag queen?
How?
Ready? Oh, I thought it was gonna turn the overhead on. So I think it's incredibly important that we use our platform.
The Louboutin platforms, right?
As I was saying, our platform.
Ooh, the Betsy Johnson
is
platforms. Ooh, the pool party shoe.
Platform.
What were you saying about platforms?
Do we have
Because
a
these are Marc Jacobs. Wait.
And you see, when you use your platform for good,
Ooh. Yes, these are good platforms.
ay Dios mío.
My mother gave me these. Thank you, Mocha Colby Corvette. Thank you, Mocha Corvette Colby, for the Versaces.
Willam, this is not a renovation for people who know how to buy shoes.
You're right. I'm so sorry. Girl, she's about to paint. So the trick is making a W and then filling in. They like to fill in the W. Nothing like watching paint dry. I feel like when a girl comes off stage, she's got all this shit in her hand and tips. She needs the spot
Yeah, everything.
to put them because like you don't want to put your money with your shoes.
Yeah.
Because the things you find on money most are cocaine and feces.
Yeah, which there's enough of that in the dressing room, you know? So
So-
what is this?
These are just the bags of bags. So we have the Whataburger bag.
Oh, that's classic.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I love this one.
Whole
Ooh, Whole
Foods.
Foods.
For Whole.
Okay.
And I think you know her.
Oh, I've heard of her. Oh my
Mhm.
goodness, this is a high quality bag.
Just put these in the lockers. Leave these for the girls.
Bags for every occasion.
This is from something. This is from the Backdrop King.
Of course.
You get me in the backdrop. I'm in front. Oh, this is a good bag. This big bag.
That's a really nice.
The
oh
wash
my God,
me
how
bag.
Huge. Oh, I love this.
So cute.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. That's available on my website too.
Really?
Yeah, show them. And I think this is available on your
bottom.
website.
Oh yes.
The Alaska
AlaskaThunderfuck.com.
Redforfilth.leopard.com.
Gosh.
5,000.
I love this bag. I have one of these.
No. The Birkin, that doesn't go in the bag. These girls don't get the Birkin. You go over there, Candace Birkin. That's my bag.
Candace Birkin.
Candace Birkin.
Word.
So girls have bags, you know?
Bags, mama.
Bags. Huh. Our work here's almost done. Ah, ooh, these shoes are too tight. Oh.
They were a gift from a small-footed woman.
Oh, what is this?
Oh,
Oh,
that's very
so
chic.
chic. Look how
Oh.
it nips me in
It
too.
really does.
Ooh.
It's very elegant.
Very. Oh, you could wear it as a fascinator.
Only you. You would do that. Oh la la.
You're gonna be
it
seeing
is
some of this
French.
this summer. Huh. One
Boo.
Alaska Thunderfuck bag. You can wear it round your waist. The bag.
Oh my god! Oh my god!